sell or does she not sell? I guess that's still the question, isn't it? Hey, thanks for stopping in and watching this video, the update video. I was going to do this about 3 or 4 days earlier, but I'm glad I waited because of all that's kind of happened in the last 7, 8, 9, 10 days. The updates are few and far between, I might add. Transparency is still a problem, but some interesting things for certain. You may have seen the most recent video on YouTube where a gentleman who runs I guess it's a repair shop for Shopsmith, says he's an authorized repair serviceman. He may be. So I sold some things to the gentleman that would be used for repair work, belts and what have you. But he, in his video title says, I purchased Shopsmith. And he seemed to be more excited about the fact that he also purchased 32 file cabinets full of Shopsmith's blueprints of parts and pieces and what have you. I don't know what to believe there. The latest update that I got came last night about 7 o'clock Eastern time from Nicholas Cups himself, because I asked if we're going to have an update again this week. He left a short text in return. He has 2 offers, and he has 3 others preparing offers. So is that a total of 5 offers coming up? We'll have to wait and see. Obviously, if that is the case with 5 potential buyers, that's pretty exciting news. Are they credible? Are they outfits that really know what Shopsmith's all about? What it's going to take to get this thing going again and do it the right way this time? That's where we have to wait and see what happens. But with 5 potential buyers, that's pretty important. As far as I know, at least 2 now, 1 on Thursday, of these potential buyers have come into the Dayton factory and walked through there. And the people that are walking through, I'm told, are fairly expert in manufacturing processes, marketing, and the key here, they're also pretty well versed in financing. So all areas is going to require a substantial amount of effort to bring Shopsmith back and make it viable again. So that's good news. On another note, product still being put together and shipped out. I know that from just customers that finally got a hold of me and said, hey, I finally got my dust collector mic and I got all the other little items that I'd ordered with that dust collector. So thank you for that. They were thanking me for that. I'll thank the folks back that are remaining back in Shopsmith doing that. As far as repairs, and I had several customers that had sent their headstocks and odds and ends in accessories for repair that were still just sitting there. The person who's doing the repairs right now is Jim McCann himself. He's getting those out as quick as he can, and obviously as soon as they're repaired, they box them up and send them back out to you. Another update you may have noticed already with this video here, I changed the name of today's Shopsmith to now being called My Home Workshop with Michael Young. I think it's a good name because that's what I'll be doing going forward. I'll be showing you what I do in my own home workshop, which is a multi-purpose space anyway. Number one, it is my woodworking shop. It's also my art and painting studio. It's my video studio. It's my office. I mean, I use the Shopsmith itself as a wonderful desk space. It's also my main entertainment area, watching movies and what have you. So we'll spend a lot of time on how this was organized and why it works so efficiently for me, as well as doing lots and lots of projects. Seminars are still going strong. Haven't missed a single seminar yet, even since the closing of Shopsmith, which officially was 3 weeks yesterday. If you want to get in on those seminars, I don't have a website yet. I have a gentleman who's offered to help me out as far as designing and putting a website together. That's nice news. I just haven't had enough time to set up an exact time to get with him and see how he can help me out. But if you want to get in on these seminars, which have been very, very lively and fun the last 3 weeks, because I guess of this closing of Shopsmith, the best way to do that right now is just simply email me, new Shopsmith email. It's called shopsmithmike@gmail.com. Right there on your screen, shopsmithmike@gmail.com. Say, yeah, I want to get into the seminar, and I will send you the link. I'm still doing these on Thursdays, and then once a month on Saturdays. In fact, I got one this morning. If I get this posted right now, what time is it? It's about 4:30 in the morning. If I get this posted and some of you see this, go ahead and email. If I see them, I'll send you the link for today's seminar. But in the future, be on Thursdays. The times are 8 o'clock Pacific time, be 9 o'clock Mountain time, 10 o'clock Central time, 11 o'clock Eastern time. But if you want to get on those, and we've had some great discussions here lately, just email me again at shopsmithmike@gmail.com. With that said, I have got some things I got to cut down. I'm using my zero clearance insert. Oh, that was another video I saw recently about all these fancy aftermarket inserts. Just go to my YouTube video. It's called Making Your Own ZCI, Zero Clearance Insert. Simple, easy, it works great. I even take you down to the Lowe's wood department, show you what material I'm using for these things if you haven't seen that video. Real easy to do, real durable. I've used this one now for years, along with some other ones too. I think I spent all of $8 or $9, $10 for one length of material. I got 3 inserts out of it. Different kinds of insert. Dado insert. I guess you'd say a drum sander, shaper insert, and my zero clearance saw table insert. You don't need all this fancy stuff people are trying to sell you. Go out there and make them yourself, okay? And one last thing, everybody. Over the last 3 weeks with these update videos, it's amazing. I've really gotten a lot of new subscribers, and I really appreciate that. And that's going to help, because now I have to focus a lot on building my subscriber list and somehow trying to make that work for me. All right, so thanks a lot for you guys. If you do like these videos, hit that like button and do subscribe. For now, I'm Michael Young, and I'll talk to you all next week. Thanks.